Hi, welcome back to the world of Web GIS. In our previous part, which is how to install GeoServer part 1, we have learned how to install JRE before installing GeoServer. Now, in this part 2 video, how to install GeoServer part 2, we will learn how to install GeoServer and how to locate our previously installed JRE in this installation time of GeoServer. Let's start playing with this. We already have this GeoServer software.exe file. All we need to do is just double click to run this. Now in this window, as like another software, click next. Then yes, I agree. In this Java runtime environment, in here we need to locate our that Java runtime environment directory path in where we have installed this. So first of all, we need to browse it. If it locates by default the accurate directory path, then it's okay. The directory path should be C, program files, Eclipse, Adoptium, JRE11. If you can't see this directory, just click Browse, manually go to C drive, then go to Program Files, expand this by clicking this arrow. In here, you will get Eclipse Adoptium. Expand this. Now, just select this JRE folder. Don't collapse or expand this. Don't do it. Just select this one. Then click OK. Now click Next. So this is showing choose installation location in where we are going to install our GeoServer. By default, it will show us C drive, program files, GeoServer. Use this directory for better performance. Don't change the directory from C drive to D drive or any other folder. If you want the better performance, use by default directory. Now click Next. Now choose the Start Menu folder. Now click just Next. Now in this window of GeoServer data directory, we need to locate the data directory of our GeoServer. Say, if I can easily say, you can imagine that it will be our server drive in where we are going to upload our shape file for our web map publishing. Okay, so by default, it will show us C program data GeoServer. Use this one, which is showing now. Don't change it for better performance. Just click Next. Now, this is GeoServer Administrator window in where we need to create our username and password. So by default, it will show us username admin and password GeoServer. For this training purpose, don't change this username and password. Just keep as it is. Okay, all of us going to use this username and password. After finishing our this WebGIS training, you can change your username password for your own GeoServer. You can do it very easily. So for this training purpose, we are not going to change it. Just keep as it is. Username admin, password GeoServer. Now click Next. Port will be 8080. Now click Next. And we need to check Install as a service. Don't check run manually. It will be hassle for you to start GeoServer. Just make sure install as service will be checked. Now click Next. So installation summary, we can see installation directory, this one, data directory, our server drive, server data directory, whatever. Installation type, this one, Java runtime environment, web server port. Okay. Now all we need to do is just click. It will take few seconds or few minutes. Don't worry about it. Congratulations, we have successfully installed GeoServer in our computer. Now click Finish and let's check in our computer. Let's see, C drive. Here we go, program files. Here is our GeoServer successfully installed. Don't do anything in this folder. Now let's see our server data directory. Where is our program data? If you can't see program data in your C drive, basically this is a hidden folder. Okay, if you can't see this, just make sure in view and click show and make it check hidden items. Okay, by default, program data will be hidden folder. So if your hidden item is unchecked, you can't see this program data folder. So to see this, you have to check this hidden item from view, show, hidden item. Okay, and this is our program data. In here, we have our GeoServer. And inside of this GeoServer, this is data folder. Basically, this data folder is our server data directory. Okay. This is our GeoServer data directory. In here, we are going to upload our shape files to publish our map in web. Now, you can do it in your interface.